Hello everyone. So today I have prepared a very small routine for you in case you need for a postural exercises. So many of us have a today experience hunchback, experience shoulders rolled in. We don't feel like we breathe fully and it's very hard to open that rib cage, open the chest and roll the shoulders back. So for anyone who is experiencing that, who feels like they would like to maintain they posture and then they feel that they are a nice and upright, don't lean forward, this exercise you might find very helpful. So all of the exercises, most of the exercises are without any equipment. There is a two which we will need equipment for. So you're gonna need two yoga blocks. If you don't have a yoga blocks, you can use a two similar around a 15 centimeters that thickness of a books or any props that we have on hand at home. And for one of the exercises, you're gonna also need a foam roller. If you don't have a foam roller, perhaps you can do the exercise without a foam roller itself. But it's just foam roller, it just gives a little bit more of a flexibility of how far you can go with the exercise. So first exercise is lying on the blocks a exercise. So you're gonna put two blocks or stacks of books on the side of your of the mat and the aim here is to lie on those blocks for approximately 10 minutes. So of course that is an extended period amount of time at once. So if that feels very long, you might wanna listen to a podcast or listen to a nice calming music while you're performing that exercise. So for the purpose of this video, we're gonna spend here first 2 minutes in here. That's so you can used to it. And if that feels okay with your body, just you can continue pause the video and then keep going with how long you would like to start with. But 2 minutes is a good starting point. So we're gonna get ourselves on our tummy on the mat. And what you need to do with the blocks, they need to be in a position that so your hand is your upper forearm is parallel to to the wall in front of you or to the front of the mat. So we need a 90-degree bend in your elbow. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna drop your head and feel that nice stretch and a release in your shoulders. I'm gonna set up the time, which is now for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna breathe throughout the exercise. So you might feel quite a lot of tension around your shoulders. You might feel a little bit of your lower back. If there is anything what you should not feel like pins and needles, sharp pain around the shoulders, that is probably not the best position for you. So I would advise to come out of it. So just listen to your body. If that's just a nice and a pleasant stretch, that's perfect. So when we get to around 1 minute, I'll show you as well straight away the progression. So with the progression, what you will do in this position, you can do your shoulder rolls. So you can literally roll your shoulders to the back. And remember breathing. So let's do a couple of more. Now we're gonna reverse. We're gonna go to the front rolls. So remember with this exercise,
when you count how many hours you, for instance, are in a leaning forward position, and in order to maintain and to feel any difference, we need to be in the exactly opposite position. So hence 10 minutes. You might, after 10 minutes, doing regularly, ideally every day, this exercise, might bring some relief and some postural changes into upper body.
We check how long we've got. Yeah, that's our time today. So we're just gonna come out of this position. Brilliant. So if you have as well double chin in here, that exercise lying on the blocks or props might be as well beneficial for you, and it might improve that with the time. But the trick is, like with everything, I always say, consistency is the key. So the next one, we're gonna go for a shoulder circles. So we're gonna go first to the front. So what I like you to do is to bend your front is to bend your fingers like that, and then a thumb out, just for the just so we don't compensate with the wrists, and then the connection with the shoulders is a little bit better. And we're gonna go for 40 shoulder arm circles. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're gonna now flip our arms out. So remembering not to crunching them above and then keeping them away from the ears. And we're gonna go 40 to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that's our shoulder circles. So we can release a little bit because that was rather intense. Excellent, good job. So the next exercise, we're gonna do same in this position. If that position does not agree with you, you can do that exercise from seated position, on the chair or stool, or edge of the bed, or maybe standing. That works as well. So we're gonna go with the golfer's grip again, just so I find this a little bit easier. There's this nice good connection with the rest of the arm if we pull the thumb out, but the main thing is I find my wrists not compensating with the movement. So we're gonna go into the sides of the eyes, and then we're gonna be retracting for 2 minutes and releasing. Off we go. So we're gonna go in and out. So remember, doing that exercise, we try not to push our shoulders towards the ear. So in order to do that, we might find ourselves that we only go into this point or that point, and not necessarily to the other side. So watching as well the wrists, that's so they don't compensate. So we are retracting the scapula, we joining shoulder blades, and then bringing elbows in together. Remember, breathing throughout the exercises as well. So we're doing this for 2 minutes. We almost 1 minute is behind. You can do this either a little bit faster, or maybe you feel like slower is much more beneficial for you. If you feel like giving up, maybe a little reset is okay to begin with, but I find that deep breathing helps me to stay within the exercise. We've got just under 40 seconds left. Keep going. We're almost there. Last one. And release. Okay, nice. Well done, everyone. Okay, I'm gonna stop my timer. And next exercise, we don't need any equipment, so we're gonna get ourselves on the belly again, and we're gonna spend there for a minute each side. So again, I like your elbow to be on a 45 degrees bend, if 90 degrees bend, sorry, into one side. So you're gonna be going with your opposite leg over and then putting your cheek down on the floor. I'm gonna set the timer for 1 minute. Off we go. So we're just opening here chest, working on the mobility of the shoulder. Remember, keep breathing, just checking the time, we're halfway there. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1, and release. We're gonna take it straight to the other side. So elbow bend, and we're gonna put the leg to the other side, behind the body if possible. I'm quite tight on my shoulder today. We just check it for half. Yeah, the timer is on. Still early morning when I am doing that video for you, so I'm quite tight with my body. Remember, breathing can help extend the time to be in a position. That's one. And then relax the area we try to bring more flexibility into. If you need to come out, make a little reset, please do so at any point. Again, you should not feel any sharp pain, needles, or nervous sensations. If you do, maybe decrease the intensity or completely skip that exercise. So always listen to your body. We just check the time. And we off. Okay. So we're just gonna come out, take our time. And last exercise for upper body is a exercise which is called mermaid. So you're gonna put your bent knee into the front, and then the other one roughly stays around there. And that's when we need a foam roller. If you don't have a foam roller, you can just place yourself in the front. Without the foam roller, it's just a foam roller can allow you to go a little bit further with the exercise. I'm gonna set the timer, and then you're just gonna literally roll yourself forward and feel that stretch in the side in here. So if we sit a lot, travel a lot in the day, sit in front of the desk, that area might get really, really tight in many people. So this exercise is a perfect exercise just to release that tension. So you only play and go as low as your body feels comfortable with. Remember breathing. Breathing can allow releasing lots of tension as well, letting it go. We're almost there for this side. In 3, 2, 1, put yourself up. We're gonna switch the side. So my left leg will go now to the front, the right leg go to the front, and the left will stay behind. I'm gonna set the timer the same, the same stretch. Timer is set, and nice and slow. Roll yourself to the front, lean over with your chest to the point and to the position it feels right for you. Again, if you don't have a foam roller, try that exercise without a foam roller. We're halfway there, keep breathing. If at some point the position does not do anything, just try to change the position, maybe go a little bit to the right, a little bit to the left, and see if repositioning slightly of your legs might help as well. So just play with it along you go. That's how you take most benefits of these exercises. The main thing is to stay consistently with them, because that's when the time is up. That's when the most you can see and observe postural changes. So posture is very, very important for us when you exercise. When you exercise at the gym, when you do some training, so this is a very important one to keep our posture right, because and then I minimize as much imbalances in the body as possible in order to prevent any potential injuries into the body. So I hope you enjoyed today the session. So with this, especially with the first exercise, build up towards 10 minutes as said at the beginning. Let me know your thoughts, and I hope to see you on the next one.